Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to remove restrictions on Telegram account. So first of all, launch Telegram app on your mobile devices. Once you come here, go ahead to the category of settings, and once you come here, go ahead and tap on chat settings. From here, scroll down below and under Other Settings category, you'll see the option of Show 18 plus content. If you turn on the toggle for this option, now over here you can see that you would have to confirm that you are over 18 years old and update your settings to see potentially explicit and sensitive content. So you can tap on the option of Confirm. So with that, you will be able to disable restrictions from your Telegram account. So with that, you will be able to get content suitable only for adults as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.